Go.
I'm here with Sal with his 1938 Packard. He brought it to us. He just got it not too long ago. It needed some things mechanically. We addressed the fuel pump. We did a lot of suspension work. We addressed some structural repair on the car. We just went for a ride. Sal, how do you like it?
It's unbelievable. I dealt with Gene and Tri-State Classics, and Gene did everything he said he was going to do and more, and he was a gentleman and a businessman. I'm very happy with the car. I'd recommend Tri-State to anybody that needs restoration work done. And it was a pleasure doing business with Tri-State, and I would recommend it anytime to anybody.
Thanks, Sal. I appreciate it.
Thank you. Thank you.